a too costly resource. See here, Aman, so for that you have to concentrate here. Okay, you have to concentrate here. See here, to establish a relationship from person to PAN card and PAN card to person, we are storing the repeated values. See here, I'm storing the same repeated values here, and I'm storing the same repeated values here. I'm storing the same repeated values in both the tables. Okay, I'm storing the same repeated values in both the table. Yes, you're getting my point. I'm storing the same repeated values in both the tables. To establish a relationship, I'm storing repeated values in both the tables. In both the tables, whether database is a too costly resource. Yes, obviously a database is a too costly resource. You need to write. I always mention that you guys should write a quality of code, not a quantity of code. Okay, quality of code. You guys are getting my point. Whether you guys are getting my point, you should write a quality of code, not a quantity of code. See, unnecessarily, we are storing the same repeated values. Okay, we are storing the same repeated values again and again. In both the table, we are storing the same repeated values. Yes, I'm storing the same repeated values. You guys are getting my point, my dears. You guys are getting my point. I'm storing the repeated values. So, ma'am, why to store repeated values? Why to store repeated values? So, I will remove this one. Anyways, see, I can't remove this primary keys. Yes, I can't remove this table, this columns. Yes, obviously, yes or no? I can't remove this columns. Yes, obviously, I can't remove this column. Next, what we need to do? What we need to do is, okay, see, I can't remove this name also. Sorry, it's a network issue from my side. Yes. Okay. Yes, whether I'm audible? Whether I'm audible? Yes, right, I'm audible. Yes. Okay, we'll start the session now. We'll start the session. Let's see. Okay, we'll start the session. Let's see why my Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, it's okay. See, what I told, with the help of, see, I'm storing this repeated data in both the table. I told that with the help of only one column, whether I can establish a relationship from person to pan card to person. Yes, with the one column only, with a one column only, I can establish a relationship from person to pan card and pan card to person. How, ma'am? Ma'am, then what you're doing? See, what I'm trying to tell is, my voice is breaking up. Yes. So for others, just a minute. Now it is not. Now it is not. Clear. Yes. Now it is clear. That's fine. Okay. Yes, see here what I'm trying to tell is I'm going to eliminate one repeated value columns. Okay, I'm going to eliminate any one of the repeated value columns. Okay, with the help of only one column, I can establish a relationship from person to pan card and pan card to person. Yes, I can establish that type of relationship. See here, then person, and see in the side pan card, person and pan card. This person is having, okay, person ID, name, address, yes, and a card ID, and here ID, name, address, and this person ID. Okay, and this person ID. See, what I am trying to tell is only with the help of only one foreign key column, I can establish a relationship like this from person to pan card and pan card to person. Yes. How means, see, I am going to delete this column. I'm going to delete this column. Then how this table is going to look like is, see, it's going to look like this. Your person ID. Okay, there's a person table, name, and a card ID, and this is a card. Yes, this is the name name, and person ID, name, and person ID. Yes, like this. You're getting my point. Ah, why Purita? Why you did this one again? Only, okay, address, name. Okay, it's going to look like this. I'm keeping only this card ID, only one foreign key. Then it's going to look like your one-to-one unidirection relationship. Your one-to-one unidirection relationship. Yes or no? Yes, Sheikh. Yes. So, but see, it's going to look like unidirection relationship. But I'm telling you, I'm going to delete this column. I'm going to delete this extra column in the database. Okay, I'm going to delete this extra column in the database. I'm not telling you, I'm going to delete a person and, sorry, PAN card and person relationship. I'm not going to delete a PAN card and person relationship. I'm just deleting the extra column which is present in this PAN card table. You can delete either this column, you can delete either this column. Yes, I'm just telling that, yes, we are creating and deleting the column. Yes, I'm just telling that with the help of single foreign key only, I can establish a bidirectional relationship also. But I'm telling you, I'm not deleting the relationship. I'm just deleting the extra column. I'm just deleting the extra column. You guys are getting my point? Whether you guys are getting my point? I'm just deleting the extra column. I'm not deleting the relationship. So how, ma'am? So for that you need to write some configuration. You need to write some configuration. So either you can delete this one only. So ma'am, I will delete this one. Yes, then you have to keep this one. Ma'am, I will delete this one. Then you have to keep this one. Yes, you are getting my point. Whether you guys are getting my point. Whether you guys are getting my point. Yes or no? Yes, Kanchan Santosh. Yes. Come here. See here, how to identify that one. See, I'm going to write this in terms of hibernate. I'm going to write this hibernate. Yes, yes, hibernate. A class, person is there. Class, PAN card is there. Yes, at the rate entity. At the rate entity. Okay, ID, name. Imagine you're having a PAN card. Yes, don't imagine, it's a reality, right? So yes, ID, name, and there is having a person. Yes, I want this ID to be my primary key. I want this ID to be my primary key. Yes, then I want this at the rate 1-to-1 annotation. And I want this at the rate 1-to-1 annotation. Yes. See here, now I'm going to create a table for this. Now I'm going to create a table for this. What I'm doing, yes, in this person table, I'm having ID, name, and card ID. Okay, in this PAN card table, I'm having a ID called ID, okay, name, and person ID. ID, name, and person ID. Yes, you are getting my point. But what I am trying to tell is, with the help of only one foreign key column, I'm going to establish a relationship. So which one to keep? Either, wait, which one to keep? Either this card ID in a person table or person ID in a card table. Which one to keep? Which one you want to delete? A person ID? Shall I delete a person ID from the PAN card? Shall I delete a person ID from the PAN card? Okay. So yes, I will keep this one. I'm going to delete this one. So to keep this one and to delete this column, what we have to write? See, we are going to keep this one. Means we are keeping a person and PAN card relationship column. Okay. I'm keeping person and PAN card relationship column. Okay, so here I'm keeping a column, right? So you need to specify an hibernate. So you are going to use at the rate join column. You are going to use at the rate join column. You guys are getting my point. You are going to use at the rate join column. Yes, whether you guys are getting my point, you are going to use at the rate join column. You are going to use at the rate join column. Yes, done with this. Yes, ma'am, your this at the rate join column is specifying. See here, you are having a person and card relationship, right? So please keep that column. Then here, see, for to keep you're specifying something. To delete this PAN card and person, it's not. I'm not deleting a relationship. I'm just deleting the extra column created for this class. Okay, the extra column created for this class. You're getting my point. Whether you're getting my point? Yes, see what I am going to how to specify that PAN card. You're having one-to-one relationship with a person, but I'm going to give an extension for this. But you are mapped by means by seeing this mapped by, okay, your hibernate is going to realize, okay, I'm having PAN card and person relationship, one-to-one relationship, but they are deleting our column. Okay, they are deleting our relationship column, and I'm specifying. See, yes, PAN card, you are having a relationship with this person, but you are mapped by means you are mapped by this card. Okay, you are mapped by this card. What is that card means? You are mapped by this card means, yes, if you want any relationship, if you want to establish, yes, if you want to establish a relationship between PAN card to person, I deleted this person table, right? I deleted this person, sorry, person ID column. But if you want to establish a relationship from how to establish a relationship, see here, whenever I'm going to give PAN card ID 101, so yes, 101 Pujita, person ID is 1 Pujita, PAN card ID is 100. Yes, if I'm going to give, okay, I want to search a PAN card ID 100, it will obviously, it is going to search ID, name, and the person ID also, and a person ID also. Yes or no, it is going to search a person ID also. Yes. So, but I'm deleting this one only. How it is going to fetch the person? I'm telling you that I'm not deleting a relationship. PAN card to person, I'm not deleting a relationship. I'm just deleting this extra column. So for that, I'm telling, if you want to establish a relationship from whenever okay, whenever they are going to invoke, or whenever you want to establish any type of relationship from PAN card to person, just contact this card ID. How means, see here, 101 Pujita, by seeing this mapped by card. Card means, okay, this PAN card's reference variable which is present in the opposite class. See, this and this should be same. This and this should be same. Ma'am, if it is C, only C, then this should be only C. You are getting my point? Ma'am, this is only P, then this should be only P. You guys are getting my point. This should be only P. Yes, my dears. Yes. You are getting my point? Hello. Yes, only P. I'm just telling him, PAN card, you're having one-to-one relationship. So, but you are mapped. Means you, if you want to establish a relationship, please go and map with the C. What is that C in terms of SQL? That C in terms of SQL is this column. So how it is going to fetch? I'm going to give PAN card ID 101. Yes, 101. It is going to fetch ID. It is going to fetch a name. Then it will come. Okay, 1-to-1. ID name. Okay. It is going to take. Then it will come to 1-to-1. Okay. Oh, they have used mapped by. Means they have deleted my relationship column. That's fine. They have deleted my relationship column. Yes, that's fine. Oh, they mapped me to this one. Oh, what is this? Then it will go to a person table. Then it is going to go to this card. See here, this C means this particular last column. Yes, this will come to this card. Then based on this card ID, 101, no? So 101. Yes, then it will fetch this particular ID 1 and Pujita. Person ID 1 and Pujita. You guys are getting my point. Whether you guys are getting my point. Yes or no. Whether you guys are getting my point. Yes or no. You want to fetch the person who will. Yes. So if you want to fetch the person, see, along with the ID only. So from person to PAN card, you are not having anything. You are not having any obstacles. Yes, understood. You're not having any problem. Person ID 1 Pujita. Okay, it's mapped to card ID 101 Pujita. So a problem arises when we want to fetch from this side, PAN card to person. When we want to fetch from this side, PAN card to person. Yes, you are getting my point. Yes, you are getting my point. Any doubts in this? Whether you guys are having any doubts in this, tell me fast. If you are having any doubts, please tell me now itself. Aman, Aman, is it always I have to keep this person and PAN card? You can keep anything. See here, yes, I will show you. We don't have any relationship exist. It's that. Why we do with that? No, ma'am. Okay. What I'm not getting, man. Shake. I'm not getting. If we are using joint column, it will act like yeah, no, but see now also it is both are owning side only. Revaru. No. Okay, both are owning side only. Both are owning side only. Now also. So in this bi-direction, specifying a owning side, no, it's not that much easy. Okay, both are owning side only. See here, a person and person, right? At the rate entity. I'll give you one trick. When wherever which column you want to specify, okay, you want to keep on that table, on that class, you have to write. Then here, PAN ID. Okay, ID. We don't have any relationship exist. That's why we'll do with that CID. Yes, 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 man. But I'm telling you, I'm not breaking the relationship. Relationship is yes, yes, it exists. Yes. So if your colleague, see, I'm having 9 to 1. Okay, I'm having 9 to 1. My shift is 9 to 1. So Sheikh is having okay shift from 1 to 7. Yes, 1 to 7. You're getting my point. Shift 1 to 7.
Hello, Moto.
My point like that only. Getting or not getting. So in this person ID is there, no? See here, which one you see? Not only it's not necessary to keep only right hand side. No, see if you want to keep this one, this is a PAN card, right? If you want to keep this one, then you have to delete this one, right? If you want to keep this one, keep means write at the rate join column. Okay, 1 to 1 is there, no? Then write at the rate join column. Yes, you are keeping. Means in the opposite class you are deleting, right? 1 to 1. Opposite class you are deleting, right? Mapped by. Yes, mapped by what? See what to write. What to write, ma'am. So yes, you have to write a person. See, always keep in mind what to write. Don't write this one. Always don't write. See, just blink your eyes. Just blink your eyes. Just see the next line. PAN card is there, then you have to write this one. See, in if you are using mapped by in the person class, you have to use a person. If you are using mapped by in the PAN card, yes, you have to use a person, a PAN card. Yes, this is the first trick. Then, see, you are using a mapped by in this class, right? So in the opposite class, just take this reference variable, relationship reference variable and paste it here. But this and this should be same. Yes. So now tell me which one I'm keeping. I'm keeping this one. I'm deleting this one. I'm keeping this one and I'm deleting this one. Yes, do write this one. Write this one roughly. I'm going to show you how it is. Yes, write this one fast. Yes, ma'am, how to know which class we will use mapped by? Ah, that's what I gave, no? That which one you want to keep, man? Which which column you want to keep, Aman? Same as the last one. Okay, Sheikh. We are not breaking a relationship. Both are owning each other. Aman, which column you want to keep, man? Which column you want to keep? Person ID. You want to keep this person ID? This, okay, this one. You want to keep this person ID. See here, you want to keep this means in a PAN card class, you have to write at the rate join column. Okay, done. Done. In a PAN card class, you have to write at the rate join column. Yes, you are keeping this one, right? Yes. Opposite class, right? Mapped by. Mapped by. That's it. Okay, why this join column? If you are not mentioning at the join column, see Saurav. Yes, see here it will already join. See, I'm specifying to establish a relationship. Please join. Okay, you're getting my point. To establish a bi-directional relationship, please join. I'm telling like that. Okay, I'm telling like that, Saurav. In some laptop, yes, it is going to work, but you should use this both. Yes, you're getting my point, Saurav. Yes, you should use both at the rate join column and mapped by. Yes, you guys understood? Whether you guys understood? We'll do it practically. We'll do it practically now. Write this one fast. Write this one. We'll do it practically now. Yes, right. Done. Yes, done. We'll do it practically now. I just want to do this. 1 minute. Okay, okay. Write it. Write it. Yes, done. We'll move. Yes, yesterday we did this one, right? Yes, yesterday we did this one. Yes, I'm going to share my screen. Yes, I'm going to share my screen. Yes. See here, in person and PAN card, yes. Bi-direction, person, table, yes. Person 1 to 1 is there. PAN card 1 to 1 is there. See, I'm not going to delete a relationship. So in person table, I'm going to use @ join column. Means I'm keeping, okay, I'm keeping a PAN card ID in a person table. Means in a person table, I'm having a foreign key column now. Yes, in the opposite side, what I am going to do, I am going to write mapped by post. Okay, card. This one, this and this should be same. Save this one. Just go to your, okay, just go to your MySQL workbench. Just go to your MySQL workbench and delete that one. Yes, we'll delete. We'll see the old table creation and we'll see the new table creation. Okay. We'll see the old table creation and we'll see the new table creation. Yes. See, this is the yesterday's things. See, in person table also we are having card ID. In PAN card table also we are having person ID. But now what I am writing, yes, I have wrote my code that it is going to keep this card ID in a person table and it is going to delete this person ID in the PAN card table. Yes, we'll do like that. Drop the schema. Drop now. Just go to your person main. So, yes, save everything. Save your person. Then come back. Yes. So I'm going to save this one. I'm going to save this one. Yes. Insert into PAN card. Yes. How many tables created? Created a PAN card table. Just a minute. Okay. Yes. Created a person table and see they're altering only a person table. It is adding a foreign key to a person table. It is not adding any foreign key to a PAN card table. I will show you that one. So yes, ma'am, you carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. Uh, Good morning, guys. This is Vandana from the announcement team. Is my voice is audible? Here I am here to announce the requirement. I'll be sharing the screen. Hope the screen is visible. This is a development requirement. Please check the snap of this slide. Go through with the requirements thoroughly. If you are eligible for any of the requirement, once the class done within half an hour, you have to share the details to the HR team in the Q Talk app. Your name, contact number, company code. They will revert back and help you for the registration. And for last designation, you have to register by yourself. I've already shared the link in the broadcast. And for second designation, tomorrow at 10 o'clock, you will be having an interview. I'll be moving to the next slide, guys. Uh, this is also development requirement for this designation. Only male candidates are required. I'll be stop sharing the screen. Guys, if you have any queries, guys, please let me know. Okay, guys, these are the API is for the testing student, not for development students only. Any other queries? Guys, whenever you register for the requirements, you need to wait for 1 week. If you didn't receive any response within 1 week, you need to contact the HR team. Please contact the HR team immediately. Guys, whenever you registered, you need to wait for only 1 week, guys. More than that, you don't need to wait. After 1 week, immediately you need to contact your HRs and check for the further updates. Okay, I've shared the HR's number. Please contact them. Okay, guys, these are the updates for the today's class, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, mom.
Yes. Okay, guys, we'll continue. Yes, we'll continue. Whether ma'am is there? No, right. She went right. Yes. Hey, yes or no? She went or right? No. Yes. Okay. Went, ma'am. Right. Come back. Come back. I'll refresh. See here, 1-to-1 by 2.1 tables. See how many tables? 2 tables only. Just go to your person. Yes, person is having a card ID. Yes, person is having a card ID. Then see your PAN card. Whether PAN card is having a person ID? Whether PAN card is having a person ID? No, no, it is not having a person ID. Yes, you are getting my point. Now, just delete. See here, now you used @join column in this PAN card, right? Yes. What I'm going to do, I will use mapped by in the, wait, I'm going to delete this mapped by here. I want to keep a person ID in the PAN card table. Okay, person ID in the PAN card table. I will use a join column here. Then save this one. Then I'll go to a person ID. Yes, mapped by person. Save this one. Mapped by person. Save this one. Yes, you are getting my point. Mapped by person. Save this one. Yes, now just go and delete this one. See, first person is having a PAN card. Now my intention is what I'm doing. In a PAN card table, I'm keeping a foreign key column. Means I'm using @join column. In PAN card table, you should have a foreign key column. In a person table, you should not have a foreign key column, right? So I will run this program now. So here only you concentrate. See, it created a PAN card. It created a person. Then it is altering a PAN card table. It is altering a PAN card table. You are getting my point. Whether you are getting my point, it is altering the PAN card table. Yes, it is altering the PAN card table. You guys are getting my point. It is altering the PAN card table. Yes, it is altering the PAN card table. Yes, just go to your PAN card. Okay, refresh. Yes, 1 by M22.1. See, in person table, we are not having a PAN card ID. In PAN card, we are having a person ID. Yes, in PAN card, we are having a person ID. You guys are getting my point. Whether you guys are getting my point, yes or no? Yes, getting? If you want to keep, which one you want to keep, there you write @join column. Which one you want to delete, yeah, there you write @mapped by. Yes, yes, you are getting my point, my dears. You are getting my point. See, I am not deleting a relationship. I'm deleting, okay, I'm just deleting the extra column. Because see here, whether I'm removing this @1 to 1, whether I'm removing this @